choke on this little bike. No, I was saying that I stopped outside of the golf course so that I could record you through that part where you flipped, but you just took off. I caught up to you, but when you were already going down.
Waiting for the car. I saw the car stopped, and I thought he's gonna follow me.
Yeah, but
that went normal.
There was two cars behind me and a trailer. I had to wait for a lot of cars behind us. That other car was stopping, but not the ones behind us.
What time is it? Do you know the time?
It's early.
Yeah, it's early.
This clock is not right. It's like 9 something. That's why I was telling you we could have gone back the same way, but lots of sand and a little bit more tiring. But we usually do a lot more. It doesn't always have to be a long ride. We did 12 miles in the dirt, maybe like 18-20 miles total so far.
And the time?
It's 9:07.
Wow, I thought it was 10. It's hot.
No, it's because we went very fast through that sand part. We usually we rode slower. I wonder, I mean, there was some rain last night. Maybe the sand was a little bit better. Also, there was no there was not like deep ruts from other bikes. Sometimes there's a lot of other bikes that have gone through, and it makes it harder to stay in your position. Let's go.
Side. I bought this. $25.
Why are you buying built crap? You don't buy that crap. You only buy good ones.
Off-road is good because it's a lot of flow, and you know I have some flow here too, and there are some protection. You see?
Those are for dirts.
Yeah, they publish as dirt, but you can use also in a cruiser. But you know, hard knuckle.
Yeah.
With the, and I had to take the XL because the L was pushing my knuckles.
Yeah.
And the finger was low. These are longer. You know, they are very inconsistent.
Yeah. Yeah, they are.
But you know, they are quite good.
For off-road?
I don't know how long they're gonna last. But you know, $27.
Let's go all the way to the end, to the power plant, and then come back. Yeah. Go through there, through the more single track area. You wanna practice sand or what?
Where's the dog? One? No, 2 times. I went there, but I went out pretty soon on the left.